InPayTech is a new holding company which has been formed to acquire the business of that were known as Payment Advisor Group, and including ClickSuper. ClickSuper is a company which is a clearinghouse in superannuation in Australia. We're one of the first clearinghouses that operated under the Super Stream, which is a government initiative to ensure that money is paid in superannuation to its correct fund on behalf of all the employees in this country. The second one is Payment Advisor, and it's utilising patents that we've had approved in Asia, principally Japan, China, and pending in Singapore and Hong Kong. We've also had patents approved in South Africa and New Zealand, and we have patents pending in Australia, Canada, and also the USA. So what the second business, Payment Advisor, is going to be utilising a new government incentive that the Reserve Bank is coming up with, which is a new payment platform.
The opportunity is based upon two core elements: the superannuation opportunity and the Payment Advisor patent opportunity. The superannuation we see, we specialise with the market with payroll providers, and the segment of the market that we deal with, we believe we have approximately 10%. So we see significant benefit with the introduction of single touch payroll, driving the requirement for employers to transmit more information, both in content and in its regularity to the ATO. And we hope to use that opportunity as a means of growing that side of our business. The Payment Advisor business will benefit from the new payments platform. As Don said, that really will increase the velocity of money in the market, and with the money moving much more quickly, the need for data to move with the money will change everybody's perspective on the value of data and the way that you go about using it and processing it. Furthermore, that process is a worldwide movement. So we see that effect moving around the globe, which is why we have gone to the extent of the patents overseas, to take opportunity from delivering a mechanism which works in Australia very, very soon to address the new payments platform, and then to export it around the world before those countries around the world have actually adopted the similar approach. InPayTech is based upon the fundamental principle of delivering data with money. The overarching solution that we've got relies upon the patent, which of course is unique. But furthermore, because we've developed the technology from the get-go to solve this problem, the entire business is oriented towards using automation and technology to solve the problem. We haven't evolved the business from a lower or less integrated and automated perspective. It started there and has improved from that point, and that's the unique element in our business.
We're very fortunate to have two fellow directors who are quite experienced. Robin, who you already heard speak, has been with the company from the foundation days, and he's got excellent skills in innovation, in particular in the movement of data which matches the payment of money. And we're also lucky to have Jake, who is also an innovator. He started a company called Oriel, which has recently taken over by Big Air, and he's been successful in that space. We also have in the senior management team Nathan Thomas, and Nathan's joined us to make sure that the operational side of the business is working nicely, and that frees Robin up to look at the new opportunities being single touch payroll and the Reserve Bank's initiative in regard to the new payment platforms. In myself, I've obviously had experience in the financial services sector. I've founded a number of startup businesses. One was Bridges Financial Services, which is one of the larger players in financial planning, and with the Darren platform and other broking and other facilities. And more recently, we floated off another business venture called Managed Accounts Holdings Limited, MGP, and that was floated 2 years ago at 20 cents and is now 34 cents, and it's had a very good run. And the business has grown significantly since we've been listed. Well, in regard to the capital raising, we're seeking a minimum of 3 million and a maximum of 5. At 3 million, that means that we'll end up with 3.5 million in cash, and at the maximum it's 5 million. So we have significant resources then to be able to commercialise the single touch payroll and also the Reserve Bank's initiative in the new payment platform. We're very fortunate that Robin's designed the software so that all the businesses that we've talked about today are running off the same software, so we don't have any large expenditure to commercialise any of these. So it's not a software issue now, it's a business issue about getting and commercialising the initiatives in single touch payroll and the Reserve Bank's new payment platform.